Package length, 5.59 centimeters. Package width, 7.24 centimeters. Package height, 10.03 centimeters. Product type, outdoor recreation product. Goodyear bicycle tubes are the perfect replacement for your bike. They are durable and affordable and comes with a name you can trust. Durable butyl rubber. Goodyear bicycle tube has a conventional Schrader valve. Fits 24 road bicycle tires from 1.75 to 2.125 wide. Easily check the tire air pressure. Inflate with ease using a standard air pump. Designed for road cycling applications. Provides a stable and smooth ride. Top reviews from the United States. Easy enough to install as changing bike tire tubes isn't. Fit tire exactly as expected, easy enough to install as changing bike tire tubes isn't easy anyway. Have used for a month now with no issues.